My dear class 7 children, today I am just going to give you the preliminary idea about the fundamentals of algebra. Now you know that mathematics is having three main branches: arithmetic, algebra and geometry. Algebra deals with the letters, that is A, B, C, D, dot 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 dot. Now what makes these letters different from our arithmetic? Let us go into the detail. The term constants means something which is fixed, which is not going to change. For example, the number 1. 1 can be written in other languages in other forms, and 1 can be spoken in other forms, but the meaning of the 1 is going to remain same no matter what. Where you are going, 1 means 1 itself. So this is fixed. 1 chocolate, a person is going to give you 1 chocolate no matter in which language you say. Now what are variables or literals? Variables or literals means the alphabets that we were talking about. The term vary, V-A-R-Y, means something which changes. So variables or literals means the alphabets. For example, if I ask you to assume a number and assign it as A, so you take A as 10, but I take A as 100. Someone else can take A as something else. So this value of A is not fixed, it is changing. So A forms a variable or literal. Now each of these literals and constants together make up the algebraic expressions. Their collection of variables and constants form the algebraic expressions. Now today we are just going to start with exercise 14.1, and you already have a revision exercise as your homework from profit and loss chapter. So just I am going to give you the basic exercise 14 your fundamentals of algebra starting exercise, just question number 1. Alright, so let's begin. See, in exercise 14.1, question number 1, part 1, you have to identify the variable and the constant. Any alphabet attached to the number forms the variable. Say here variable is 80 and 12 is the constant. Along with the sign you have to write, since here it is plus sign, so I am not writing anything. 3x plus 2y. Here both the numbers are having an alphabet attached to it or a literal attached to it, so they are variables. So variable is 3x and 2y. So you will do from this exercise only 1 part 2 and 1 part 3 as homework, and also the revision exercise of profit and loss as your homework. So thank you children. Again we will meet in the next video class and we will continue with exercise 14. Thank you class.